ni ehunu nyame ni munyam bompa says ehuntu na mframa bo na mepututu mpo kokupu mpo a wode me nsuro wate fi Awurade bɛka ho na ba ne poma ɛbɛkyeche ore Awurade bɛma na bɔfo abɔ ho nsraban hia ne baabi anipa tempenten kwa tie so na ɔmutwa adwadwo no Awurade Nyankopɔn de ɔgye kɛseɛ ɛbɛbrɛw bosumi obehunu nyame nsa obehunu nyame abasa na adanse ɛbɛyɛ ɔkyɛfa na ɔno ofie bɛsi mu yie sɛ ne asi mu kra yie no Kristo Yesu dimu ɛne abɔmpae amen.
Senye nyamene we ya fa. Hey! Enka obi be say I say beans. Eradi ya dawasio. Enye wanki e beye den. Oh! Mema good afternoon. I was here for me to say Obia Hoije. Oh, and now your Wednesday. Your customer excellence day. A day for appreciating people. Say, Udo Biasi, Obia Bibia so when ni Obia Bibi when ya jehu. Jume Kobia Bibi when ya jehu, Obabe Boma Basso, and nia ye, and I wouldn't him so. Anna, what I soon him say, o'clock ne disuno. Yes, some till 8 o'clock. Na face so unim say dear me just one Abena Ruthy. Memo kwaba but and Wednesday. So God has been good. God has been good. Na enye nyame na we ya fa enkenye ampa minimia Diana Hamilton adwene pa na unim I chanced on a video of Dinah on social media na oka sembi na mede intimi no beche in case hu ya na oka about the fact say ye nyankropon no ote na hinwa so ote ne throne so ena oye analogy ni say ahemfo BBC omu ekromu anase omu baby omu erulia aya omu ntantenase they pace up and down omu koba into be won se na so ayehye onante ne ade inti ontnase na se ye nyankropon no se ne throne no ote so dia na kire se bibia dadin enti ya mpaso se na sem no oka se it is settled waye ono no onim ekire ade no firi anim no enti no waye deda enti hwerade because ono no onim the end from the beginning na waye ni nyina awie so deda enye afei ena wo ba bebo bibia ma wo da bi wahyehye ni nyina deda aye ni nyina deda enti no se wo twere ne dia ene ne wo se wunya ahotoso na wunya rehyiemu na wunya ni daso oh na wukwa koma to yem eye kitikiti senya ono awurade wo wafa ne die nkunimdie ebeye wo dia enti me ma good afternoon biom gidi sa wo ho ye bebia wo bia adwumam efie ho school mu ho ehifa biom wo botom ndi aye hu hia me wo botom ye mensuro ate nyame wo wafa nkoa de bibia ebeye kama nti eno ane so beba waseda aye bebre Odi
international prophetess Odiwa.
I caught you unawares. Now names are
no, my ears were open to you.
Okay.
Minim say then I'll break it up and I'm saying how when to be over for me.
Na say na catch you asem bi wa bonte ya na me nyina ha.
Asa asem na uba na make say good am dey sam good.
Hey, I was for na good. Odifo nko achia say ochia de bob ban. Oka good na bob ban ko bie ka tum. Ansa na wa bewie afternoon. Intermediate na de mam ne de me boa.
Achire mu international we dey watch we dey intro.
And then customer excellence day. Enti ye bo etiefu abaso. I say abibia no omuni ye hwibo musa no. Eye nika, eye ni so, eye fe. Enti ye ma obi biara ayiko. Minkura ye customers ni ade se na be ye business be koso no. Eye kama ye da ase. In fact etiefu da ase. Misu me da ase because misu me is heavy. Ai.
Powerful.
Oh yeah. Enti ene so ye be koso dia mom. Enti after the break then we jegum no ma be busa say questions so ha no ma be busa and I say abasobode bi wo ha obi de ma adwumekuo bi ana say ankra bi kra no mo de aba because onipa ne ti ase no na wo say wo bo na baso no te
sa pepepe
enye se we free mu ansa wo ka no ye mi say debi
and principle no nipa na nti
Onti ampa
ni panati
odi obeti po a onti ma wo hu because obeti wo ho hu
ono na so kra ahye o bebi ase oji na ni kra pa se na so ahye no be wo nsem de na be beta e na fe se ni age a ni je no no ento
de wa
ha de the back case every back case ntoti ase ya onko ye no
ka kire no
yes
enti ne edu ho a ye be pese tie fo beba no ma be bon kofo abaso na wo bebo obi abaso amesre obo modern friend so ontie because there's a feeling that you get when you hear your name on air enye easy oh eno dear meaning pa enye easy wo to na so what to this ye body pa chese na wo say medu e kire me kokra enti ne no time ni do so amesre mo frefre na omu metie ya nya akika ye hu ide ne ye be ko vocabs ko na enyesa
Sa pepe.
Then into what when kwa na me dey but na just say ma adwene ho.
Na so we dey boost nti.
Okay, so there's a popular word where you use in and say mami fabra me sure say wa obi ateda obi susu nteda nti ye nyina na ye de kai ye ho ana ye de kwa ne sa nti are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Ba
Bang.
Hey, and then I shot. Everything na pro no cry every no. All right. Like I said, it's a very simple word.
Okay.
Let me just bring it and let's go. Evacuate.
Okay.
Evacuate. St. Augustine, Manenko evacuate. Na eja. Yeah, mate for and I was saying you see part because time South Africa for yo no na you see part and na you see evacuate a simple word and that we use often.
Evacuate.
You patro say na person
to evacuate. To evacuate means to leave a place of danger and move to a safe location. So them boy in a womb. Evacuate.
All right.
To leave a place of danger and move to a safe location. The term implies organized relocation, usually under official instruction or threats of disaster.
Okay.
But we say yeah
you see
at a point fine you can relocate, but we specifically it is tied to something.
Yes.
But we don't use it tied to some particular thing or say you are moving from danger or disaster.
And not in South Africa example no.
The best. Great. But we use it and evacuate from this place. Landlord or catch a friend saying
no they are wrong.
Exactly.
And no they are wrong. And they are wrong. Because any danger until a woman is free. Usually I be a fire outbreak people baby ni akase evacuating for
exactly.
And now say flood ya evacuating and now say near South Africa ya money at the ya evacuating now be to me
exactly.
Yeah. Landlord then they say evict why evict or evict
be want some man for a kappa I'll get him evacuated
and no should be evict
and I make us say who say ever
no, so I agree with you because in Kofu yes I mistaken.
Come I think of we use but and then no addition yes you know actually say that particular word when it is used it means a word of rescue. That is how I see it.
Exactly.
You are moving away, you are relocating from a place to a safe place.
Yeah, but say fear na o two obi there or evict no. O dey check evict na yeah, not just so many double. Because difference they here, and I know people use it.
Yes, I've heard people using evacuate. Them.
Who to be if you fear and evacuate a evict. Until they to make an eviction. Unkofu ye reality show and I evict you more.
And I know be a parking a car like I say wa park is for a long time. Obi use our way do evacuate. Or money you can.
So evict in here or say to evict means to legally force someone to move out of a property
exactly
they are occupying, such as a house, apartment, or land. This is most commonly done by a landlord when a tenant violates a lease. What I say, only evict. To mean you so evacuate him, ma obi o to efi. Debbie. But really, and the word I buy evacuate. Evacuate. Until you say you a free danger mu, a safe place. Evacuate. And I say would to be a free fear. Evict. Into no. No.
Well, anyway. It be me to me the film Cabro for Pam. Say no. Oba ko check say hey na go dey.
So kind of confidently into no and only express that to ade enye correct no wa ya
mana be say
exactly and then express that to into another word you use for word for today evacuate and amenya bonus word evict into yesterday munim ni amunye mun use then concern ni ho na concern ho then eko
no
concern ko school
concern ko school ba person me be etum akra and say
ye concern na
ye concern kakra
any patrol bo wa ben na jesu crane Ewie. Ajua madam to do. I obetua wo so tua. Ewie. Stylish oh. Easy.
You be ni ni. Sese go hwe ni twa we twi edit.
O se ya anye ni ye.
O de oba no abe wade is that. So yen nim say World Cup e cause omo ye wie ni sa.
Yeah.
Ghana free mu ya you. And I say World Cup so tournament and also be kwan.
Yeah.
And ma for especially omo nye well exposed and as upcoming
sa
once no. I know omo international dey I know amasem nye eyisa. However, omo kran po no World Cup no timi free one team.
Because we be turn aye.
But we no say we a local player. And I say oh baby enkosoro sa na say nyame adum na say selection foul oba World Cup na say o perform well.
Yeah.
So the can be tall so I mean you are seen. Enti we no na Ghana your second goalkeeper.
Aye.
Benjamin Asare.
Aye.
Ko for sure performance of perform here.
Sir.
Impo answer na the boy answer na ye free mu. Do one mobi no nka selection no. I think so only one defender. No nka selection. Ene Nkrofo
that's what I said ya.
In fact they are even seeking explanation to the reason why in here.
Yeah, for mamba. That's what I'm say why do you change a winning team?
Exactly.
Maybe kind, maybe say.
Enti the Etienne say Sesiano. Nyame aye Benjamin Asare adom.
Wow.
Emma amanfo de omano etoto ne so a ne sa na sika be pie mu no $200,000.
I see.
De leba. And I quite said ye. Etwetwe aso folk. Oboso. Ye manakwa na say hosti but ye den
ne onko say wo so konya opportunity na wo so to me ko ye no ba.
But me concentration ewo the entire me dey we buy
sorry ne buy okay.
Though other countries are like teams are Saudi Arabia teams be crack me concentration need team but I'm looking at the offer and the time.
Okay.
Concern say concern kakra but e say issue Saudi na ye di
say concern dey di tufu
sa un say time Benjamin Asare e bi mpo time all kono no nim say because first goalkeeper and in life everything happens for a particular reason.
Yeah.
And nyankopon de emre ene ye na de o de emre ene ye nejuma what I say enti Benjamin Asare no nyame emre na aso ama no a the chance onya ya o de be ball kakra no kan ya bi to ne so emene ye discard in the chia na say the offer in the chia oba be free say bibia almost sensan bibia na bibia to na akwema obe free Ghana akobo ball
sa
and also in football career no so no
ne no na mu epeja ne sa
nti wo ha hunu say eyemre ena nyame de ye na eduma so omre so a empa ho na anytime yes say breakthrough be baba na say preparation na Just a preparation, a meeting opportunity.
Okay.
Then the breakthrough will come. In the so one say me did say Benjamin Asare o trainee o ya de omo house of folk omo born abaso.
Oh, born who see just so trainee see yan kasa anwemu.
Good.
Anwemu the last time I share a documentary or a TV so. Na anwemu e na o training as a goalkeeper no empoano anwea. So oni say na empoano anwea say na etimi impede.
Yes.
And so no no de ye ni training na e no no aso training nkora. Nti I saw another one o training nkora o chire omu ni ade nti yo tempo na no e no waye ni training na no waye ne ho a nti no opportunity ne ba na chese waye ready anesa nti o se wo ha wo siesie ho so twen
se o siesie ho etu
yeah
na emre ne so a emre ne so you see ebu on ma omre ne be so
nso na wo nya ready
now you have not built that capacity for sa breakthrough na aba no
sir
nti America crave na brand no ebe I think so how many matches is it two or three
two say about three
no two
but I couldn't put there because first goalkeeper enya opra ntina oba
and the next one obede mu
na the next one obede mu
however because of say why you training we poano because of say or committee ne ho de o ye no o ti ase o boa ne ho sie no eyi your friend is saying Bishop Apostle Joshua Selman
okay
no say in order for you to be successful you must understand how things work or say answer na ubedi ye no e say o ti ase e say na niema eye adwuma fa to him says when trainer World Cup is another level of exposure kita tournament ni kita no ankasa ni feeling ntu ko jeja ho a nti na say o training wo echire ye me did say wa be konimu no o training ye
no so nya selection then also dibika ho ne ade
good
ti o be bin
nti time na not you no nim say obenya kwan aba be chi bio because you don't find untimi ka say oni ni dream but you can't wish bad for
obi a ono no wo ho no
na bibi kakra ba ya a friend say obetimi ebe de ben
ebe share so abe darling boy anisa
exactly
I'm so World Cup this is a shock bebre baba nyoma bebre countries be or say Cape obi announce that but dia hoden be mu ni ade you know
na yi kofi
a lot of and
you see enti ye pese ye gina sa kwen so na Mbappe kofi na Benjamin Asare so
say omo be third and fourth position
third and fourth
omo be third and fourth position
yeah o free your friend say
o free first
na you say to third and fourth no kwa kopre enti you we sure well but young farmer head dey be fa say entimi ka say na defense obi entimi twa ban hwe
no so I mean say na ye ka say young farmer ye kra ye be at the end of the day ye be topic
yes
a lot of discussion sports discussion bebre na fe obi aka Ghana
na nya na Benjamin Asare nya yi Benjamin ofigent team oko
enti no ya fa ma ekra ye beje ne yaje
ya dia kon ya je ze ni aba
yaje o so mo be she kronim din o mo be she kronim din but yaje ara so I think I saw Benjamin Kwani video o mo ba ye no
that's great and in the family ni ade so the person catch a thief and say send Benjamin Asare dey nyankopon okwan a otimi ma obia ehu etono ana say the owo hwehwe no for you know kwa po wa bompa ya hyedema a o hwe say enye enewu no wo hode dadan ansana World Cup your friend is saying the last one boy to before this one or hode that the previous ones hode that I believe that he wished that obedience opportunity no but it never came this time around and I feel so
Kairos moment so
we wish him well
we say bibi aba me team honorable kojo upon kuma ba afi ha no o kan bibi say abra na or in life na or prepare ne like opportunity be about not this year not this year not this year make I say anti akobusa question na or master answer not this year ntini bibia a ba in your domain na was to miss you never know when e be useful into the send a speech be na was we are or say sorry those times not call holy family hono and no the ESR preparations no ejina original ni penim e kasa ne ade e bedu radio hoyi na afa yafa
also no business.
No, I recall say
business in kakra was school I don't know pussy me pa because why do you be on your CEO the business was school unim say mama ma shocker unim say me work for radio polytechnic those days I'm a Tom ma pants
sao
sister be ni no fie me beje pants na
wow
na me de akọ me de kwa madam fu bi oba bi na me de kọ no nti me ye market ni ma na ma direct no ma kọ no na akọtọ de be nya wo so ne ache
no ache no business there sao
yeah
it's because idea when you jihu bia no there's business in it for you
yes
adie bia when you jihu bia no nyehunu say there's business in it for you
yes
nti dwene ho say bibi na when you jihu pa hunu say sika wo ma there's business nti no hwehwe business side nya sa wo be spend was ade ne ho sa na we lose baby ne wo sa munya no
it's true
odi ene customer appreciation day ampa customer excellence day ampa why nyina inti konkosa na emu ehwam adisia wom yedase enti ye be koso ne akoso man na Lexter Company Limited ase de bia me kase se ye betna ha na se yetumi efifi ye sesre na ye se sesre chia homa se wa wani tua odi
yes madam
enti no yaz no uyusu no hu ne sen ka ode
yaz ne dia another mas ma ni ka tro so yusu yaza na so odi aduane bi na se anya oda na masa anya no na yusu e nze me yusu ni nti me didi a me depo pa na fe ade ba ko no se yaz emu di obe yusu gel no white na no your friend is herba no the obey isu bia no e ma woni muti e ma woni muti pa wan kasa so kasa otim se kasa akokudro mu I say oni obi kasa na o hwe woni na afi do ada na so e de ma o sase ma to no
ana so pamo yi bi wonanim sa
ai oboa o block ntimi de yaz no sam yusi a ade ba kwa me ni na no wonu mutimi te wonu muti papa e ma kasa so kasa akokudro mu e na oni ma ade ba ko no se yaz no se udi choose wie e bia do what choose anopa na wedidi nza nka ideally no udidi a se o clear wenum
yeah
the way yaz no se udi atwitwi o se anopa bia we do breakfast ubetimi krampa ti paste ni bi dia to wenum
okay na I refresh your mouth
sa ntimi me ka mu mi obi om
okay
yes strategy am dia ma ayifo yaz no me ma ne mpa ye wo nketo ani bi pa
yeah
enu bi ubetimi de bi ato bag mu
say I am minty so
yes ntudi akase ni bi twitwi osin e wo fie ni ade no na upia na dam ehun ya se obefa brush e di wechi da bi e di awie no apa bi odi bi ato enu kakra na chese unsu dia
oni nsa se okay we are personal branding personal brand na nesa because obi share na se wenum ye hwam na ade no sense but so share na say the other way no so what brand who the other way but enye na na ha
akoye na ye ti yaz die ya fa gon tonche toothpaste papa honestly
do must
package ni se fe pa
anyway
and so ukita yaz paste e bia akoka meet mako baby ukita yaz paste pa na se u be choose now year e ma level o ko do de we tie no
matiasie
anya bongala de bi e
correct
nkofo se guy ne bie amuso ne bie na me se obi tramika na se e bia ye didi ana bibi na me teto ani bi na me to menim kakra na me obo say no akwa no ga na ni ebie papa onimde yes wabe
oni what's up
thank you
Abusia for Mr. Okona kwaje de I market so baby ya ubenye bi wo ho also for hygienic healthy living always choose Yas toothpaste and toothbrush Michelle market baby and medical kano ubenye bi say when one je de dia ene na wala ne aka nyina na wo so hu say we hia bi ewo ufie we hia bi adwuma ba bi biara wo bia we hia bi ne nketo ane na kasiem enti pacho Accra number obe free ni 050 161 9588 050 161 9588 ena Kumasi so number obe free ni 050 139 0338 050 139 0338 Michelle Bamodia from Munajo dear now ya catch a 1 year ya Udia no so ya sampacho Tobika home because of a pa. Ebusia for ye nya anyway di kind I mean ending come tree na neighbor boss of us my family sir. Say ye pesi ye training for ye listeners. Enti say we business owner. Say we obi a usua adwuma obabi say we obi a we adwuma obabi. Ye pesi ye customer service training, financial management training. Any nyoma bebre na ye church training na 1 day workshop we Sompa nkwa na betumi nya we free baby aka ni na ba kotua enti free of charge we are interested at Mr. Send a WhatsApp to number your client service number 0531 886 216 0531 886-216. Not just say I'm interested and would send the audio me person me because you be in a way I'll be able to me at say nye bro for chinchine there be and yes sir you be ya mo be at say into you interested so be nya training so they will be crowd books as Jumekuo so now be crowd new man near there ube training wo staff near there ni nyina ye be mamu sa 1 day training no enti of WhatsApp number ya de obeka group ne ho and then ya ma details a ewom bia e free ye ntua hwe in fact wuntua hwe ai now we adwuma ko so na opesa wo identify with idea ye be ya same number let us have it and then I mean ye hu consent na ye nhwe se ne a ebeko ebusuafo ne pa cho mi ntwa ye hu mra na ye ba ye be ba beji customer service training na fe ye guidelines ne so agum wabusa wo questions ana say wo abasobode bia wo de mo bia now they are no just 1 day me te won ka che intimate ate
21st clinic sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magye no wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gi se 21st clinic nkoa wo mu die bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran ba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na ba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na se 21st clinic still wo mu ye sciatica expert
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese word na akese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho
atomic kwan no so ho no. De enti e friend local food ne say. Enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro, meko apro, jena apro, garlic apro. No de aye aduane say eya abontine aduane edi enye ne bisa. Dabi haji esuro nyame. Eti nye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve haji special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 for not with them eh medo edrano pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so ni se me de yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima minya homka sentina ye bokoi na me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum so a enwunu anasa de ehia me semfimfem me biem na wo hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese entina wo se afei na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes, Enukratrodo, Yas Herbal, Yas Whitening, and the Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and then the brush, Abusian Chamfa. Sawo Pedudu 2 Ewon Kran ha. From Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited, and the Yas Toothpaste mo ahodo, and then the brush abejaso, abeboy.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Oyunyankupon di for Wastrano Eweye Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyankupon Reyawan what yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some First Service. Our home in TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Yankupon Casa Chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Mason First Service in Chawo Home Hoda. A Yadrada Kusi if Yadanopa, Anopano Nunkusi Anopanunsia. Fawodanina share radins. Na erade beye.
Yaba Sompa.
If I was any betebia, God's time is the best. Yana say Radia Kasa. Radia me Judio. 1 hour Sana Shabiri White. Radia me Judy. 1 massa Ranya Pony Biemo. Obama Jaguni no so moon on Yaya Sadia Mama. Asoka Sama was watching for Daddy Mammy. But I'm fast me a show. When they won't fair, maybe I so better. Obisa me, Yami, me young couple. bia ubese nunti oyeti asiewo frame cry firi ewufomu so na redada me cry eradie ayabu amen serious atra madwenia eradie ayabu amen me pese me yeti asiewo eradie ayabu amen frame cry firi ewufomu
Mawe enye umpaibo. Oh, Miliesta. Oye ni nyina era different ye cry if ye wufum. Na tie ye mpaibo abribiara. Ebusiafo ye do customer service training na kachi ai. Before then, mama menye birthday wish you. Ye brother be o music na wo oti region and then birthday. Enti me wish Mr. Dominic M. Jagri. Aye. Your friend Zobla Zo. Na uti obi nickname Zobla Zo. So who say yes or your nyum to nima pa. Me mane happy birthday. Or your General Secretary of Tichu Tob. Nye easy. Edi no mufancha me Musicians Association of Inkpakpando. And also some mufancha me hua. But omu nyina she music amu omu oti region. Na or say musicians nyina mama dey some register music and the message for the birthday no auntie Mr. Dominic Jagri ma happy birthday from Sompa Delight, so enjoy. Ebusa means time for belated birthday we so and so I we dey me ye can say o nephew mu kan che me wo fa se ana aha inti min kan so aka odi ku se o se
nephew wo fa se be ma wo
ai and no fa okay nephew ampa nephew was fa se be ma inti no na say me nua be ma ba isn't it
nua be ma ba inti oyo be ma
akra na ye be ma oh yeah na say nephew ni is there me messy
okay.
Odi. Nephew ni miss there me miss. Na say tree no. Tree no. Enye niece ni o. Okay, say o de you sent Augustine assign atwema dwene akobe de ba akobi sinti ma me fa nka ho. Right. And say akọ niece nephew ni so. Odi ka niece ni ade de o me ka niece but your nephew. But way gospel musician. Your friend no Mary Annan Dickness Mary Annan or Church of Pentecost Nungwa of course Nungwa Assembly hono side into Dickness Mary Annan and nay and birthday or can women in gospel music into me man happy birthday into Obapa enjoy your great day what ye do papa na fe minko niece ni nephew na odi e dey confuse me no minko no ne de ne so enti me little boy na edi no enye easy o ni di ni ase Kylian Mbappe but we Kellan enti Kellan Kweku Chejima or Unique Rock Preparatory School Dome na ne birthday na this week and that way and Thursday na Tuesday no me say ye rich auntie and na Monday na ne birthday Monday ne rich auntie me say nti me say ma me sekra me ya ma no o preaching ni ade nti Kellan Kwakuche Jima happy birthday we fi wow auntie Abena Ruthy ho and Sompa delightful na o papa say nyankropon onhyira wo peche won kwan na nyina ne papa de Mr. Peter Jima all right intimidate akogu odi
international prophetess
afei my customer service training no
all right yen nam sa kwen so na ebiom yen che etiefo nyina ejiri so bia ho ye na afei nso no me gidi se inkyerɛkyerɛ a yɛde me nyinaa no etiefo ɛfa bebi ɛwom and I say they are taking advantage of whatever we are giving to them. Esan say etiefoɔ amuhu nya yɛn paa ne nti no nneɛma a ɛbɛma ɔmabrabo etu mpɔn ɛna yɛde ɛma ɔmo na customer service ɛyɛ ade a ɛho hia paa. It is the integral part of every business. Sɛnɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɛyɛ biribi a ɛho hia ɛwɔ adwuma biara wode bia meka sɛ mama yɛmfa yɛ adwen kɔ ebia corporate aban adwuma kɛseɛ bi o container na we be provision so mo no wa for bi mpo wo ankasa wo tia no ɛyɛ very very important say ube adesua se ubesua na wa practice nti ye gidi say ye fa mu aba na ya ma ye adwuma no etumpon ansa na ebeto ene de ebeye no etoa de ya de da no so enu nti say ye kai ho kakra.
Okay,
now say ye ka say customer bi eni nji bibi ho a eno ena obekasa ho eno de be mana complaining enti ye pese ye ma obi ate ase say me mani me hu complain say e yade e ba be say o business no ana say the how be na e dey ba say woni nje ana say umpese obeti complaints wo asuma o business no ebegu uyo obi na ye tufu na enye yi a yesu ye tufu no enti a obekọ anti a ye tufu no enti a wankasa ba kopim opima ebedu se obepima obesua nyansa foforo no na ne ma ase na ne ma tete memma ho kwan masade ne into as a business ana se memma ho kwan ma how be emba na wa try say obeso Ghana ye pesa de ne pa ye pe damage control e say you prevent the issue from happening.
Memma word be there sir. Okay. Knee jerk reaction. Perfect. Aya de good. Ye pesa de ne pa ye pesa asem ni siansa then na fe yakopa ho chow ana say yakọ try say ye be correct yen kai business the last time I can say o prevent issues say happen and customer be abe complain bi a che obi a oto wade o complain bi a che na say amunu mu an o fa na akoma pem na o pay attention na o di hu djuma e boa e chin say obema issue na happen ana esi na afiko akwa damage repair ne buo no wo soro e chin say wusi anokwan ye hye ne nso damage control is always expensive than preventing a problem from escalating or happening. Damage control we say adenesi na me nkopa ho che wana me nko hye na nemu e buo no wo soro obebo ka mo chin say usi saa de kro no ano na establish en happen en si kra
exactly and afenso ye kan so say BBC ye issue the learn model no.
That's right.
BBC a your kwanya ye faso a ye kurim we no meja ma wo
say na they be kai me na men kai o
sa
kai me na men kai o free
number 1 ye ka say listen tie ni ye and na betimi ati de okana say you go say understanding of the question is part of the answer so one question na say
any at this juncture one may ask
yes.
What is an agama lizard?
no what you need so and you must listen well. Listen and listen well. Listening is on skills so repeat me better no.
Okay.
The listening skills. Because you're a customer service person, you have to listening skills.
Okay.
All right. So learn no, L no and L listen. Nearby E empathy. Show empathy. Ma customer ni who say near ohana kan wasem no. Wo de ho ahye ni shoes mo feel ma no. Show concern. Show concern. Hunu saade no. O person resolve problem na abeto enim ne dia. Utie ni ye. Na fe wo de ho ahye customer ni shoe. The next word letter A.
Apology and apologize.
Apologize.
Okay.
Say pa customer ni cho. Mana come Anthony yem. Mesrew. Sorry pa say adibisi. Esi. Sorry pa. Na ebe we. Oni eba. The next one then R
resolve
say solution bi
eba at all costs
open at your no one man assurance o be solve amano say solution bi ba and normally ana ye tufu say solution bi ba men manu nya ade a be che it should be immediate and I say emretia o mu no wa solve amano the last letter and
notify
notify ni can say ma feedback we are no was inform customer no
sa
baby a why ejuma na kodru ebia na unye wie ba why ebia ma no ti ananso akakra na ya solve ama o solve ma no so a so obisa ne say na
e kosen wani je hu yeah
through that no ubetimi feedback obema no ubetimi krampo I introduce mo service for and a product for that is information we are giving to the customer no ne kura no recap na ye no ampatona person ka bi
nka me koka example be to the effect say ade for corporate organization nkwa o nyoma na wo chere no because minya example be in the course of the week many lady Joanna nenam me top fruits to a specific place and I have mentioned it before na because senior almost serving me into the time bia me sign ko na the last time me call me to mango me ko try na emu asay just me try video me because me pay evidence abeka channel me do on ma me na nhwe like one people say obehwe evidence no ni okan and say oh sir any ma me sisa ma immediately and no ma me foforo wanka ho hwe she say ono no to ande no onim se ne ye handle me nti no tem bia me ko ho
onim de ntia
ka chere me
o me ene de ba be chire excellent customer service excellence na ba be chire no e what this touch
I see
there is one key word person me can was situation where trust you have trusted her she has trusted
me
it's a trust that's the level of customer service excellence. That's the level it can get to. Customer service excellence. The main motive, the main your friend is saying is to build that trust. Mebao. It's a good example. And that's how you do. All right. So the recap, no, the last aspect of it. Say yanto sumpuna we are my no obi a otie no will be able to catch something. Good, because it's a build up. Until I'm taking me time.
To go through it.
Yes, also KBC types of complaining customers.
That's right.
Yes, men through complaints. We are business. I mean through complaints. Complaints to your advantage.
That's right.
And my information, you build up your knowledge about issue na they are better so that you get a competitive advantage.
Yeah.
You better solve your issues. Na meet me aboma company na survive the test of time. Until you can't be do say assembly sia. Esan se nipa gu ahodo. Your different temperaments.
That's right.
Customers who go ahodo. The customers na your model no musuba enye the same. Two people are never the same.
That's right.
Nti asem sia send a customer A ebe handle no a different from send a customer B ebe handle no. Nti your knowledge be say as I say ohun the different types, the 5 basic different types of complaining customers. Send ebe ya amunu mo na nipa no e complain no. Ube hunu customer cry oye ni su ni ne ban na we hu response cry sanya be handle sanya obe handle me customer no enye the same thing be handle aggressive customer nti I can say the first one a meek customer omo no hojo omo no one pima nkwa one share problem on country I just say ubisa no o man the opportunity to complain and sana meek customer no obe complain ni atosu mienu aggressive customer or your opposite to the meek obi hojo and meek no mama mani so ye krakra no and no ye from aggressive customer sankrofo no makoma nyenyenyenyenye normally ye star choleric type no makoma nyenyenyenyenye you hear list mistake na auto nsa oni ne kasa ya na auto nsa in sankrofo no so ye kasa omo no mani omu yi ya no o de pomocho na wo emra wa hitting wo de jo ema no ubetimi
attack the issue no
because one yes I won't see
yeah so the gidi shia ne dia on me wa almost so to me faithful to me loyal pa so to me juju mu na we solve your issue no to me very loyal
in fact so to me handle complain who handle the that particular customer no e be loyal to you.
That's right.
Trust me. All right. And the next one I can want some a rip off.
Yeah.
Omo na me frɛ mo sisi for an opportunity no. Problem ni see ya no be so gina so na ode
nya bibi wo ho.
Sa no motie. And I say we wasting me time dia konia basa ansa dia ma me cramp no. And I say we tu 10 cedis and I me 65 cedis, me 205 cedis. They be one person mo rip you off.
Now you say be person I will see you dealing with omo no. E will say unya evidence from omo.
San perform. So you should get say asama o kan no. Or so be prove. O say mango na say. Then I just mango na say. Oh, she me try
to video you but say ohun say me nyet sa type ni no so hu say the only me be deal.
Yes, exactly. And for you to say so mama ma picture na video crowd hu say no. The issue is your friend say. What I say. So rip off no omo do you suban you list mistake obesisi o. Enti o say I say. Ebu na we atoma me crap na sense no we di ade kro na wi. Oba beji foforo.
Yes.
And the next one you're from high roller. Omo prestigious service no pay product no pay product ono why ready say obetua any amount.
Okay.
Now so the option say so man the quality service na ohwehwe no and the quality of the product no say ne saka ne sa problem ni wo say otua ka nemo so otua na say quality ohwehwe no ankoye sa obeni ni benya asem oni benya asem pa ene omo no esan say unyaska omo toniema bebre omo toniema kese omo tai be toniema nti so handle omo yie yenka say yeyimu but obi obre oska bebre no so hwe kwan a be omo no say normally omo tai free company ni ma the company na so yeshi omo this kind of see a crocrom no I try so best resolve immediately. The last one group of people like you come one say your chronic complainer marketers no because if you are chronic akwankro omono yes omuku omo kram be ka say ade no wentwa otian kan wewu na oda ho no so uti ni su ni de no mani so omono omo kasapa no wenya abotre amomo a manhwe ya na o temper atofo nti omono so nya abotre momo na o solve omo issue no momo. However min ko mechi bako rip off no as I say all the company policies family ejuma one for na nsi obesu it say the company no is say da ho no na say udisuma no sometimes you need to prove to them say hwe o prove now so prove nti no nti enhye ne so nti chronic complainers no omo complain omo kasa bebre but ade ba ko I want say so timi solve your issues mo omo ba be marketers for you omo kasa nti omo influential people
that's right
utimi solve ni omo ba ko di ho dance in the same way the other side of it is that so when timi an solve ni ya momo a your friend be word of mouth omo ba ko di ho dance and your friend positive word of mouth omo ko di ho dance boni a negative word of mouth na san microphone musu ammo musubo na se oti anya yie na se obe solve na wan hwe an solve amomu yie na omo ye displays omo ni anya ho na omo kwa wonte a omo begu campaign no
ayo
cause omo kasa na omo very influential.
Tina ye good say we be who the type of customer you are dealing with no
say na be abehun de wi a
do that's why are there
yes nti ene no ye be buruburu ni ye hwe time na ye be ko kakra kan nti ye be buruburu ni ye be sua ade enepa nti sania ye kan ye say ye handle customer complaints ye no na mboa ye no kwan ben so na obetimi handle customer complaints ye omo de complaints na omo de ba kwan ben na obetimi handle ye ye di ye ho nkomo nanso sania be ya do complaints na ba sania be ya omo be free nchi akono no trust bi wo ho na energy bi wo ho no eno na ye frɛ no exceptional customer service. Ntene And
okay.
then yeah, Kasafa delivering exceptional customer service.
Okay.
Delivering exceptional customer service. That is creating memorable customer experience.
Okay.
Oh
So
yeah, idea.
Okay.
Oh yeah, idea. Customer no.
Neni
beji
beji
wo be Tony trim. Ebe Tony trim. Marketing e free be brand positioning. O position o brand no. O company no. O nipa ni trim. Yenya abo brand bi so a, yenya abo product bi so a, o brand e ba ni trim.
To say if you say yenya kan yes pe onim say me pese me sin say stretch out ma yes na was me koto sa any brand positioning no
yeah nti sa na etie me pese me bo product bi di e bo diaper bi a o say comfort me use brand name no for diaper no na so na enye no na ohwehwe is because of my position ho e woti
ene bebre
nti emre toko so no yesu ade adu bebi a ye be kire ye customers on more business no kwan a sane ye be ya obetimi ama o product na o business no o cold store no wo provision shop no ejuma bi a o ye sane obetimi ama salon ene de keka wina barbering shop sane obetimi ama wo de no ato obi trim
na bibia obeba wo ho
yeah and you know nti delivering exceptional customer service, creating memorable customer experience.
Okay.
And yeah, fear said the person in my ATF in Natia say the best way and a quite papa ubeti me are preventing customer complaints. Say Crawford complaining no. The best way is to say obe offer and I say obe ma or customers excellent or exceptional customer service.
Okay.
But see we need obey intentional. Now why ye niema ebetimi aso many niema ye papa me kai. That's the best way obetimi esi complaints ano eba. Se na kai no ye adisua yesua weeks ni some weeks ni no. Yesua about complaints. Yes, complaints they at a point inevitable.
Yeah.
And ebeba. I want to say the reason why I say complaint and said to collapse the business, advantage to the business is that obi on my complain now they ban on the company in the no more complain or they buy and quite am fast am solve anything no.
Obeji company need say what thing say so.
Yes. Obi on my the first time about one when you bad experience. The first impression created a negative one.
Yeah.
Nemo the opportunity I walk is bad experience now when you know complaints no dey ban the opportunity a company ni wo ni say obe handle ni ye no what turning that negative experience to a positive one.
That's right.
And then your friend excellent or exceptional customer service. Yeah. Nti ye nto aso me dey say etifo ati ase papa. All right. Nti enko adentina exceptional customer service. Ehun hia.
Okay.
Yes say so person who see complaints and no bebrea. So deliver and I say so ma exceptional or excellent customer service. Nti ebisa say adentina ehun hia sa.
Okay.
Number 1 dey kan. Etimi e build loyalty, customer loyalty.
Okay.
Ema GDS sunku bi eba ahotoso sunku bi. Eba.
Okay.
Customer need timi de enya ahotoso bi ebo o company nim. Na ye kan say obi a waye customer waye bribi. Customer wetimi aso wa solve the problem. Customer oba wo nchen no. The way a ototo niema ne ade no. Nani eje ho no. Sa customer no likely 90% to 95% say obetimi asen aba back.
Elder, would him say as my working happen with Uber for taxi for like driving. Say me who said driver is a new treaty me abra menini nante yen say na me to me afa number say me sometimes say to me mo be journey ya ade no more receive or more accept it just because of how the person treated you. Internet cut across and kasa
everywhere. See me didn't come start here and me customer service is a way of life.
Oh yes.
Even when won't be a juma crampo da. As an individual. So have a customer service tips, customer service knowledge at the back of your mind.
That's right.
Because it's a way of life.
That's right.
It's a way of life. And na make us say obi a waba o company man wabeto ade o shop ho. A wetimi aye we kura ne ye no. Likely so besan ba beto ade.
Oh yes.
The tosu mienu. Where there's some delight word. Delighted customers bring others. Obi an enije no. Customer ba ho an enije no.
Oh,
o sande afoforo ba.
Beba ai sa pepepe.
Yes. Kojo mahama me mechanic. O so mi mu.
Ane.
Na o mame wa mame exceptional customer
service.
And I knew me can crofo am de o makowa. Yes.
Because when you je adwuma ne ho
me can crofo a me de o makom koyo moka ama omo so no omani aje bi krampo so krampo de foforo so aba.
Exactly. Yeah. The excellent customer service. Very important.
Fit afo here customer service.
Obia. Odi obia.
Obia here. It's a way of life. Number 2, first one I say it builds customer loyalty. Ma customer nya hotoso bi.
Sir.
Number 2, the toso mienu ni say eboa ma wade ton kosoro. It increases sales. It be to wade.
Sir.
E ma ne kosoro.
Sir.
Say customer ba na say utimi eye niema na niji ana say utimi ehwe ne ye kura ne ye a. Say na obeto wana. Ochina any they say o de maminto mienu bi ngu. Ebu anu de obeto de da no. Ensign. But esan say onam area honti no. O ne mabeduru ade a.
Ai.
Mame
because they need jipo so obeba no abehu.
Ebitimi ko eba o twem keke on beto ade. Oh sad na awe de mi twem on am say o me chia o. We na matele bi ho de ba me say me chia o. Onye say obeto ade.
Asamonya inkita ho die bia na ni je ho.
Good.
You know, nti amasa bond na ba.
Sa bond na ba. Nti obaba won cha bebeto ade. Intentem so be
odi uni wo kasa nyina bibi kom so mi trim. Se enti che se me wa adwuma mu na se adwuma no kofom customers massa ne etie ana se bibi tos ne enye se me dwene se oh ebia efia ba efuo bi na eye mi o obiara ntu wedu e che se wo sa wo check wo ho e wo sa wo check wo ho sua sa ne men cause bia na pam because enye ni nyina na susum wiase obi aye bibi o da bi wan kasa no ebia na wo ye wo ho obi bakora wo nti wani mi ade
Ghana na ete okoto ade a I say onu na ye o favor
ai
na so mini wina dia dance
say so ma dwene fasa ade ne
onu ya wa chesi wo ana koto ne magu shop no bia beto a ebe spy ebe boss
afede no na ne omu ye ne se omu sesa expiry date
every ekichiwa ombe close business no nti men ndru ho
Debi no de enye omu aya expiry date ni do so no ma paper no ma tro no foforo no de bi atare ho ni nyina ye ni
men ndru ho aja say nti ye nto aso all right yes, the first one it builds customer loyalty, second one it increases sales, third one it strengthens reputation.
Okay.
In public relations and our communication, you see, image is everything. Image is everything. Sanya wo sema obema na to bi trim no.
Yeah.
Ehun hia.
Yeah.
Enti se customer ne ba na se utimi serve ni yie. Na ni ji hu wia.
Yeah.
Afei okodi hu nkomo. And a word of mouth ni be mu no.
Yeah.
Okodi hu nkomo.
No bodi mpa.
Bodi mpa. Obo hu de rama o. Okra mpo no sa wenya market akra pa okra hu ntua ne ka. Enti ema o sania ye nim na na obi ti wonka but na go for me serious pa and I no kra na we kra pa o ka say o me serious pa and eboa o sa kwan so
yeah
ne toso enan afi ema competitive advantage.
Okay.
Ema competitive advantage what you say enti so who say you see a business into work competition emu na wo work competitors so utimi offer exceptional customer service a de ohun ni say ema de bia no customers selective
obesin obia ho no aba
wo nchen
nya me de yi bi ni
mo obesin obia ho aba wo nchen
sa
empo ade na opese oto no se ade ni bia sakrampo a obetwen ama wanya bi
sa
that is competitive advantage nipa no options but also that be
obetwen because of jiwudi
exactly anytime there is competition it means there are options.
That's right
Yes, there are options. Enti emma wo kwan emma utimi enya sa advantage no emma kwan ena ade ba ko no say when you get that competitive advantage no ade ba ko no say utimi offer exceptional customer service a difficult say obi be copy o. It's difficult to imitate exceptional customer service.
That's right.
Because it is it is something that you have created. Something unique you have created. You are determined to say customers bar. Customers bar obia. Obeto malt and our yogurt be or and our product be or.
That's right.
Obeti me dia mom. Omo bar. Obe mom kasa anom. Obe mom nsu anom. Obi on ma onye sa.
Yeah.
But who dia ya o no ba mo 7 na eyo manika. And it is adia. They be ameka kotade o.
Yeah, exactly.
They be ameka kotade o. And it doesn't mean say that thing you have created to ube bo ka. Say na be ma ube delight your customers. Ube customers ni age no. The other person or try so ya ni fin bebu.
Yeah. So because we nya more ninti no kura won feed it because already no what creates so I started that and no what building customer service excellence is very necessary
very necessary enti you be call principles no so but no you are dealing with what customer service exceptional customer services or what excellent customer services we have dealt with that and ayaba why I didn't necessarily ensure exceptional customer service. I didn't know here. They didn't can say it builds customer loyalty. And my customer niya hoto sobi. They did can they toss me no so say ma wade tonu and our sales ekosro.
Yeah.
Ne toss me and say afei ma wo unya a good reputation. Unya dimpa abodini papa. Unya abodini papa. And afei they di ono say a create competitive advantage and say abibi obi person bebre o de na so kwa na e person to ye into me of a exceptional customer service dance who treat you customers here who buo mo a who handle mo here sa a friend saying in your papa bi say na etimi e ka so enti ene no stop na ye de besi ha na afei next week na ya to aso about principles
why ni na ya das me jidi say tie for esua bebre nti ne ye be guidelines na gum na nia oba bebusa question abebisa nia obebo obi abaso abebo na abaso ni nyina wo me na ye customer excellence day nti no yes sompa e market yapa nti 0260 1960 64 0260 1960 65 Michelle, over to me a friend. Aha. More info for you. Hello. Good afternoon. Nyami Adam, just one day.
Oh, morning. The last weekend, I'm losing my voice with that kind.
Kose. And then the aba, edera diasi. Edera diasi.
And then that's so far. If I knew my power, it was
Amen. Amen.
Yeah, of course, you have to give us a friend.
Sa. It's me chiara na atwetwe about Matthias.
But you and then the bona batapa the bra and the papa right Odi from Sompa 106.5 FM.
Je wa ba so bode.
Just one day.
Yankopon, Raja Yankopon, Uncle to Israel, no young
Amen.
But you must go to our stress and a day. They didn't them about customer service, no, in fact. A yepa and Yankopon Costa Israel. No more ideas are who did not why, yeah, you might any more companies. Yankopon Israel, and then okay, be good there. Delighted customers. You was super delight is with there. Yeah. Delighted customers always bring more customers.
Yeah.
The customer delight, only more customers enjoy. Yakubo, they shall and I did back on Santa
Yes,
I don't know where you know. Volcano. And then you want to tell my you move you on my telling.
Hey, move me.
And then, but so you program, I know
Matse. We are class prefect, Tampa. We are class prefect, Tampa. Matse. Major Gumsisia.
And now, me can be about customer way, no, so, and the madam could be a company being an issue for some land, your author. And then we are company a treaty, no. Okay, and then, yes, sir.
Wow.
Eye madam ko ni ya into be friend mi na mi ono ni kata anything kata mi na mi ko na mi ko bita ko so ti de mo kanu na company no in fact almost use to no aye case because of adene happen and no to use no for case
okay
nyanko pandom no company no then am lo mo ko kata ya mi ye we nka so then yes am be lose me am wo mi go customers be am lo be baba e mi hu may I trust me say me man customers aba. If you nyanko omu jina suna oma aye fuko amana.
Okay.
The mo kan de ni ya bra jere kan nyanko ponchira no pa.
On show so yeah that's it for example no just one day. Speedy recovery. Okay, may you for free. Hello.
Hello, Sompa.
Aish. Yeah, mo akwaba.
You that's it. Pacho, Sunny.
Pacho, Edino, sorry.
Martha.
Martha, then our voice, me.
Oh.
Assistant class prefect. I'm so Sompa delight to the man to the it's yeah. Yeah, because I be a boko.
Yes, I call some out.
That's right.
Nami yes customer. Say Ghana for the next customer your figure. Uko tadi na se chiki ya mtu wakati ameona that akaba the thing is not working. Chiki ya ni support no. Mami actually ni kuno na kwa gogo na uko na.
Oh.
No. Something is going to be very fundamental. If I'm one of us, I don't know, another time because I and this comes on this comes from me, on this one, I can say, Namadama says, man, Mangasana, if you look at me back to the because you will be uncoming by now to be able to come with the two another you are. If you almost want
strategy, Pepe. Yeah, that's the Auntie Martha. Yeah, that's the Papa. Aish. Okay, you're for colleague, Vacho. Hello. Aish. Hey. Bag. Do that, do Papa. Elder Jerry.
Baby.
Elder Jerry,
I think Charlie, because I don't want to say anything to him. You will just pity for me.
Do that, do I hear you? But yeah, I hope you are fine. Yes, Papa.
You know, sometimes it's difficult to deal with some of these customers who are below level.
That's true.
I mean, those from the villages where they can't even express themselves. So, I want you to take this suggestion. You should go. I don't know whether you will review the whole issue back again. Because some customers are very difficult to deal with. And after we do it, we haven't got to ask for such people. So, I don't go near them. That's number one. Number two, the grammatical terms using there. No? Should we go to the dictionary and find out? Because sometimes we are not university level. Sound 7, you know, somewhere 74. So the grammar terms go higher than below system.
Do that. That's why we try to speak the tree.
The word of it.
Oh, said that anything that you try say a tree, no. Oh, until you can't brofuna near try the abetri kakra, Anna.
Okay. But, I'm not a can, so I find it difficult to understand something.
Oh, okay. All right. Until we'll break it down more. I get your point.
Right.
Hey, should do that, Papa.
Back to
Thank you. All right, 0260-1960-64, 0260-1960-65. Before I refer next caller, no, Maminka evacuate ampa yan spell ampa inti munfanche yen. EVACUATE. EVACUATE. Minfa kole na mi hello. Aish. Where the mabna? Mabna Antina. Hey, sisi ade star womo. She.
Mommy.
Yes, Mama.
Papa, I stand the brew. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hey, now I need to come and educate.
Oh, you're there, Adiasi.
Can't I do the don't do Hojai?
Aish. Delighted, Papa.
Yo, but so, maybe number 7.
Okay.
So when you be you na mobile replacement, they don't feel comfortable. Na after Juma or Juma run, and now you drew where you want, like when you be Juma. But not the same in ya, the crackers.
Aye, patron. Also, only obi Juma. Na say customers neighbor or home feel comfortable.
One more feel comfortable. Because the Juma run any Juma no what to complaints na ever.
Okay.
That's also follow me.
And so being a complaining ama ejumera.
Yes, the people are complaining.
Okay.
And we want to know, you love the work that you are doing. You are cherishing your customers. Whenever they come in, we embrace them warmly. So they always come back. Even bring people along. About the son, I can say, oh, boss, me say, oh, boss. Yeah, customers know they complain about the heat. They complain about
okay. I feel Matthias.
They will say we improve the car. I feel less mayor, it's not mayor.
And so now,
oh, and I will take the decision to
leave.
Well,
and now while we are there on the side.
Yes. More like you are doing your own aside though. But who can own fee? And you know, also decided to say, and the mommy, me, big cranaka, when the customers come, they should feel okay, or you should leave the work.
Okay, so that's the question.
Only now, as you know, mini panoy, or your miss sister, the new cocker. And you know, a Jumaran or Cambiana or the nurse, and also obey renovation can create war. In a day, in conformity because honestly, the big free customers no. Pastor, I say. And you know, on ye, and I say on ye, you man no co. Announcement because it's also driving the customers out because I challenge your area and mobile. So we don't say the customer will come today because of one moving to win piano. The next day I'll be now our different place.
Okay.
One more do and I can
yeah.
So
okay. All right. Until me who question no into no you be my answer say yeah that's it. I mean sure.
Yes so.
Hello, mami fa na afa answer questions no. Hello. Aish. Oh.
Professor Abuachiri and Mr. Jarvis.
Omojoso.
We broke for them.
Hey, Jordan, I'm also asleep.
It's even better, my signature.
I'm also asleep. Yeah, that's it. Okay, all right. Into yenfa calls, Nancy Hannah, answer questions. No, Antina.
All right. So, na me bo Antina the to facility asia.
Okay.
A person try say, uni obi ye juma. But customers never complain about the setup of the place.
Yes. Ambience, no.
Ambience, no. Enyo mo fe, enyo mo attractive. Oma kasa so juma ra say.
Onye on puso ne ho. Meanwhile, wo na wo offer service no, wo deliver customer service. Ye ma customers na ni je wo ho say o meba wo ho but environment no emwa.
Okay. So customer service no, the entire say fa no critical. Customer service is a whole thing. Sometimes you don't talk to people. But omoba the way a ohono motie e wo ehwiam fa.
Yeah.
The way a ohoye neat fa. Customer service. You are communicating to them.
Sir.
Ebi obeba na de bia e wa ifin so gu bebi na yetietie wa pacha. Obeba bia ya pacha on babium. But obeba na ohoye fia. Mama ma an example. Ubetimi akọ baby. Ni e tre washroom ni. Urawa wan hwa de opese okoye ho no. Untimi nyentu be sign o de be hye ho. Ubetimi akọ baby e be tre washroom. Ubi e crampo hwe de we send crampo esia o na hwe the way hot here crampo na you are eager to the next time I ever say place no
unko hokora
obeko ebe do konso obeko the sana tie
yeah
enti say one a positioning no
yeah
how you are positioning your company in the minds of
people
customers
tie hu hia say adwuma wura no
it's a must
otie no
oye etie na oye because enu na ebra wusika no na me gidi say obi oye business bi aso sha ase na se nkofo oba ho na se eduru bebi na se eso tia ohunu se eso tia sales nkofo ma hu so the next thing you do is that you ask yourself say what you are being fortunate to understand say customers ni say ho ambience no enye conducive and enye favorable. It is to your advantage.
That's right. My wanting because in this case, na no ye djuma ra o no all ye djuma wo ho.
Yeah.
Ena ye ma complaints no ena djuma ra esi fichu. Inti ono onye den because on the side no customers so call inti ne person who ni say in that case onye den.
All right. enti so one ejuma ra tenase a we anya gidigidi ne ntokwa asem one obi a ye ejuma ohwe so obekọ nanim
that's right
ntu ne ejuma ra tenase a science subium send last me catch here no say because of that omo kohwe your competitor you cry omo nyina ekoho and aba ne sa so won kwasa dia odi adan say ye struggle and na me wa ha say me ye ejuma ye ma ubenye ska na wetua meka nti sen conform ba ha aketua kra be ye din omo ejuma ni wani gie krampo embo nti me serew anka be ya se ne papa mu no me bon den na ye na say still out me nya na agi say bia me moving on me yase me did decision we ba me trim but me peniye na mo say enti me nya possible dia na anka me moving on because me person be do baby a customers